Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have VECHAIN and the best buying strategy you could ever have. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits with an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, and of course buying scripts and random giveaways, many more benefits. Personal guidance, of course, every day. You can cancel anytime you like and you can join anytime you like, of course. Thanks for joining in, and of course you can join our Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go right now to see some important stuff for VECHAIN. Once we close above the 12 cents, actually, you can see 0.12. We can go to the 0.128, 13.2 and 13.7 cents. You can see the price labels. These are our next price targets, but we have to close above, and I will explain why afterwards. The volume is very good for VECHAIN. MACD had a little bit of a lower high pattern right there, but as you can see, the price did not go down so much as the MACD, so it was very good. The altcoin had the strength needed. Let's go to the risk metrics. On the risk metrics, we have 3 out of 4 risk metrics in an overbought situation, not the RSI, which is good and which we want to see it going above the 70. If we do that, then it's all over. We are going for sure to the 12.8 cents target first, okay? But of course we have to wait a little bit before we close above. You can see all out of 3 out of 4 actually risk metrics are in an overbought situation. Be careful a little bit for now. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we stand good. We have made our 20-day EMA and 50-day EMA. We have gone above actually, and now we want to see if we are ready to go even higher. Looks like we can go even higher. On the daily, we do not hold any significant risk. Only the commodity channel index here is a little bit in an overbought situation, but apart from that, everything is fine. Everything is good. All right, so do not worry about this stuff right there for VECHAIN on the daily frame. Let's go to the VECHAIN on the Bitcoin chart. You can see VECHAIN against Bitcoin is having a little bit of a lower lows right here, and we have now the potential of getting a higher low. On the 4-hour frame, you can see that we had an extreme oversold situation. Actually, in every risk metric right there, you can see every risk metric was in an oversold, and now maybe it is the time to push a little bit further upwards. From the moment we go above this line right here, let's put a price label on so you can all see 0.50221, then we are going upwards all the way. Okay, nothing is stopping us. We need to consider and to take into consideration actually that we will be making higher lows and higher highs, and we want to do that because if we get past above this target, then we will be going above the VECHAIN against Bitcoin chart. Okay, do not worry about that. We will be going there. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, still finding a little bit on the 20-day EMA resistance level. Okay, and that is why we need to wait a little bit. Still finding on the daily frame 20-day EMA resistance level. Let's see if we can get even higher past above the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. That will be extremely good for VECHAIN, and that would mean that we could go further upwards. Okay, you can see that the RSI right now had a little bit of a higher low pattern, therefore it was good. It was a bullish RSI divergence, and that's why we went upwards. For the time being though, we need to surpass the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA, huge resistance levels for VECHAIN. If we can do that, then we can go easily into the 13 to 14 cents area. Let's go to the price targets. Right now, as I told you before, only if we close above the 12.1 cents, you can go in there, okay, around this price label right here. And the reason is that you need to close above this price label right there because it is a very important price. Okay, you need to close above this target right there because you minimize the risk when we close above. Okay, that's the reason. We minimize the risk. That's what we want to do in every trade. Ask any professional traders, they will tell you the same. Risk management comes first, afterwards everything else. So we have to be sure when to buy and book the profits and go to the next buy opportunity. Okay, right now for VECHAIN, what do we need to do? Close above 12.1 cents and get to the next targets. Okay, get to the next targets, the 12.8, 13.1 to 13.2. You can see 13.5, and of course we have some more 13.7 and so on. But for the time being, we will focus on these two targets right there, and afterwards we will see about the next ones only if, I repeat that, we close above 12.105 around this area right here. Okay, because then we minimize the risk. That's the target. We minimize the risk. Do not get in before we do not close. If you've bought already around here, let's say, and you just didn't miss the hype train and you went early into the hype train, you can sell some. If you see that we found huge sell pressure around this area, you can sell some. Then we get down a little bit again. Maybe we will be getting towards, if we get rejected here, we will be getting towards this price level 11.7. You can see that here we are 11.7, and then we get higher, we get even higher, right? So we might be doing that. We will see about that. We will discuss everything. I will daily update, of course, and you can see that the Bitcoin chart is having a fantastic run, still having a fantastic run. However, we are still in the targets of a very strong resistance level between 57,000 and 58.3 thousand Tether USD, around there. Okay, once we close above, then things will get much easier and Bitcoin dominance will start again, and many altcoins might move a little bit sideways or down, and then they will climb back up. Before we close the video, do not forget to join monthly subscription, link in the description in the comment section, and you will get easy profits and many more benefits. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.